New from HairMax, the company that pioneered laser hair growth technology. Introducing the Laser 272 Power Flex Cap, the most technologically advanced laser hair growth cap ever. Designed to maximize hair growth, reverse thinning, and give you the fuller, healthier hair you want, without drugs or harmful side effects. Utilizing HairMax's groundbreaking technology of the acclaimed laser comb and laser band devices, the 272 Power Flex Cap expands the HairMax range, now offering the widest selection of devices for every individual hair loss need. We've taken the basic, generically designed laser cap and empowered our engineers to completely rethink the inside. First, we've taken 272 medical-grade laser diodes and precisely aligned them to deliver the optimal amount of focused light energy to your scalp. Second, the Soft Comfort silicone insert is ultra-flexible and comfortable. It's uniquely fabricated to both conceal the internal circuitry and protect the laser diodes. Next, our dual operating mode technology allows you to fully customize your treatment. A rechargeable and lightweight battery pack provides a portable treatment at home or on the go. The illuminated timer and battery indicator tracks your treatment time and lets you know when it's time to recharge. The result is a revolutionary new hair growth device that surpasses all other laser caps. Design, quality, innovation, results. The HairMax PowerFlex Laser Cap 272 is here. Start growing beautiful, healthy hair for life.